scientists finally figured out why tropical rainforests are absolutely exploding with biodiversity. And the answer is completely mind-blowing. The tropics, near the equator, contain way more species than anywhere else on Earth. A pattern Alfred Russel Wallace noticed almost 150 years ago. Wallace thought the stability and warmth allowed species to just pile up over millions of years. But researchers studying fish in Brazil's Mamiraua Reserve discovered something way cooler. It's actually the constant environmental change that fuels incredible diversity. This flooded forest gets submerged up to 12 meters deep during high water season, with fish literally swimming between tree branches. Even super adaptable species like red-bellied piranhas and Amazon cichlids can't consistently dominate this crazy, fluctuating ecosystem. The habitat changes so dramatically that no single species can monopolize resources, giving rare species their chance to thrive alongside common ones. Scientists monitored populations for nearly 20 years and watched this natural chaos create perfect conditions for coexistence. This discovery flips everything we thought we knew, because it suggests environmental instability, not stability, drives tropical biodiversity. The constant shuffle prevents any species from taking over completely, creating nature's ultimate level playing field, where thousands of species can survive.